Oh, go ahead.
All this time it wasn't going. Hi, cutie. You're 10 days old. You're 10 days old. And you like a picture taken. I just want to tell everybody they make good pets. Catbirds make good pets. The best bird out there besides a parrot. So cool. Yeah. That is a good bird. That is a good bird. Now he'll clean himself. Very clean birds. He was just cleaning himself.
Can I talk to him?
Yep, he's like 10 days old.
He's a 10-day-old birdie.
Yeah, 10 day old. Yeah.
He's 10 days old. It's already sure his little mommy.
Yeah.
He loves his little baby birdie.
See, now he likes to clean himself.
Yeah, he likes to be on camera.
They're very clean birds.
Yeah.
That's all he does is clean himself.
He doesn't.
There we go, and I moved him. Yeah.
How do you like the bird, little girl?
He's adorable.
I love your little bird.
I love my little bird.
A little baby boy.
A little baby boy too. But I gotta put him on the internet so everybody could tell and know and learn about guys like this. They make good pets. Better, 10 times better than a parakeet. 10 times better than anything, except for maybe a parrot and a cockatoo.
Baby boy.
Yeah, we'll go over this way more. You see how? No, this way. There you go. Now you can see him.
Boy.
Yeah, and there's the baby boy.
The baby boy.
Yeah, there you go. Now you can see his head.
Hi, baby.
And he was taking a bath right with the cat watching him.
He's a baby boy.
You don't even care. Yeah, he's taking a bath.
They're both babies. You're looking at two babies.
Yeah. That'd be nice. He's sitting there wishing and thinking. Yeah. He's so adorable.
He's looking at his little brother.
Yeah.
That's a baby right there, baby.
Yeah, that's a baby. Look at the eyes on him. Looks cool on the internet.
And baby's purring.
No, man, no. He can swat him really quick without even thinking.
It's okay, baby.
Look at him. He's so adorable. But I just want everybody to know that's the catbird.